Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID with two-factor authentication enabled, and that your iPhone runs the latest iOS so Wallet is present. Open Wallet and tap the plus icon to add a card. Choose Apple Card. Enter the requested details when prompted, such as name and the last four of your social security number, and scan your photo ID if asked. This starts the verification that Apple and Goldman Sachs require. Once done with the initial input, you'll face identity checks and consent steps. Follow them carefully and read the key terms. Apple shows an estimated credit limit and APR range. Review those and compare to your expectations because this affects your purchasing power. Make sure you agree with the digital disclosures, then tap Accept. You may need to provide additional verification, such as a selfie or document photo. Provide clear images to avoid delays so the issuer can finalize approval. After approval, the virtual Apple Card appears in Wallet. Tap to enable Apple Pay and set your default payment if desired. If you ordered the titanium physical card, activate it by following the Wallet prompt when it arrives. If approval or activation stalls, check that your ID photos were clear, confirm 2FA is working on your Apple ID, and ensure reliable cellular or Wi-Fi connection. If problems persist, contact Apple support or the card issuer for account-specific assistance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.